staying straight. Because if we take a right, we're gonna be on that little thing between John Young and that road forever.
Yeah, you're right.
So we're gonna go through the ghetto.
Okay.
You okay with that?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm required to film an episode while riding the Harley because people are like, too many Grom episodes, blah blah blah. So I mean, I feel like we should have something to talk about, but like I don't have anything to really talk about. So hey, if this is an episode, what up, Blockheads? We're headed up to Standard Motorcycle Company right now. Man, I talked about me forgetting to do my latch on my helmet.
Yeah.
I took my gloves off and then I put it on and then I forgot to do the latch anyways. You can say it. That's stupid.
Oh, I wasn't gonna say that. I was gonna say like the left on good. I'd be like, that's stupid. I've forgotten to do mine before.
Yeah.
More than doesn't make me feel stupid. It makes me panic a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm like, what if I fell?
Right.
I would have done nothing.
God, you really cannot do these D-rings with the gloves. It's like impossible. I can't do it.
Sorry.
I hate D-rings. Why is there not better like technology built into helmets from the factory than D-rings? So anyways, we're on the way up to Standard right now. Miss Blockhead and Anna, who you guys can see behind me, are going to sit down with Rainbow and they're going to plan out an event, a possible bike night, and if that happens, we'll film an episode on the way back talking about it, giving more details and information on what's supposed to be happening. On another note, to get there, since it is rush hour, we're going through the ghetto. So Ms. Block, you strapped?
No, I forgot.
What? What's wrong?
I got a knife.
That's kind of personal. You want to get that close?
If they try me. I'm hungry, so
Yeah.
I'll transform.
Oh yeah, I guess I should have started it with Miss Blockhead's hungry. She's hangry.
I am. I'm a little.
Probably not the best time to go, you know, have a meeting with somebody.
This is like a test of my my virtues.
Your party planning abilities. Having patience, it's like this thin.
Yeah. I have not eaten. I ate 2 Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets.
Check out that undercover charger.
Yeah, alright. Whoop, whoop.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast.
Yeah, but that was like this morning at like 9 a.m.
2 chicken nuggets at like 9 o'clock this morning. Midterm, meeting for work, coffee, which I never drink, makes me feel like crap. There's a Popeyes over here.
A what?
A Popeyes.
Yeah, so you remember when I tell you about that time that I went to go get Popeyes and I was at that intersection, somebody came up and they pulled the handle on my door
Was it this Popeyes?
trying to get into my car? Yeah, it was right here. It's whenever we were working at the gun range, so I had a gun on my hip, like I had my Glock 17. It's like, dude, you're lucky the door was locked.
Right? I watched this this video. I think Eric posted it on Instagram, and it cracked me up. And it was like carjacker steals his lady's car, 2 kids were in it, and then the lady like jumped in and shot him in the face.
Jesus.
Yeah, be like, wrong car.
Yep. Yeah, man, if you're in your car and somebody breaks in, you're basically allowed to defend that as if it's your home.
Yeah. Oh, this bus is about to stop.
Yeah. Go around it. We've been watching a lot of Luke Cage lately, so it's kind of f***ed up. But I feel like that we're in like
Harlem. Oh my god. I don't know, like those gangster movies and the mafia, you know, the Italians, the Puerto Ricans, you know, the blacks, whatever. Like you have all this money, but the amount of stress that comes with that lifestyle, like, is all that money worth it? Do you actually get to enjoy everything?
right.
Because it just never seems like in the movies or shows that it's like depicted like it's a lavish lifestyle, but it comes with such a huge price. Like, is it that worth it?
Well, yeah, they even say in the show that, like, you know, depending on how you get that lifestyle depends on whether you're looking over your shoulder all the time or not, you know?
Yeah.
What's his name? Shades said, you know, you got to have your head on a swivel. We're taking a ride up here in 0.2 miles.
At the light?
Yeah.
Alright.
Watch out, there's like dirt and shit in the road.
Yeah, I don't know, like, me personally, like, I don't know if all that stress is worth it.
Nah, hell no. I mean, I wouldn't, I'd rather just like live a normal life, you know, instead of having to worry about somebody like killing me.
I don't know, I just feel like I'd get, like, I mean, I get tired of my normal life. I don't even do like criminal activities.
Couldn't imagine you as a criminal. You get hungry and like everybody dies.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's why, what did they say, like, I mean, obviously this is a horrible thing to say, but like somebody was like, yeah, like women shouldn't be president, like one period and World War III might begin.
Jeez. You believe that?
No, obviously that's very sexist and awful to say, but it's just kind of funny because, you know, I don't know. Sometimes I just cry for no reason.
It's all those hormones.
Yeah, and then I'm mad because I'm crying, and, you know.
Vicious cycle.
Yeah.
It's like, you know, that the movie Knocked Up with Seth Rogen?
Yeah.
Whenever Catherine, whatever her name is.
Catherine Hagel.
Yeah. She's going crazy, having like a meltdown. And he's just like, F you, hormones. He's like, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the hormones. F you, hormones.
But it doesn't work.
You know, I know this isn't you talking, it's your hormones, but I would just like to say, F you, hormones. You are a crazy hormones, not Allison, hormones.
It's just, man, those hormones, they get you guys.
Yeah, they can get mad.
What's funny though, and I've told you this before, but what most people don't know is that guys actually do have a day where their hormones change. It's not, I mean, you know, we don't show any other signs besides, you know, maybe our mood, but there is one day where hormones change quite a bit.
Yeah, no, I believe it.
It's usually like one day though, it's not like multiple days. Those are my off days.
Yeah.
And if yours and mine sync up, it's World War III.
Right.
So this is the first time that I'm connecting to you with this Senna Momentum INC helmet. You can hear me okay?
Yeah, no, I can hear you really well, actually. The last couple times that we've been connected, I have not been able to hear you well at all, to the point where it's just honestly almost useless.
Yeah.
Like, I can't, it's just so loud, and like, it sounds like you're like really far away, but then also like choppy.
Right.
Like, there's just so much other noise, and I don't know if it's because we were on the highway, or I don't know, but even like on regular roads, I've just had no idea what you're saying. But this sounds a lot better, a lot clearer too.
Good.
So I'm happy about that, because I know you get mad every time I'm like, what'd you say?
Oh yeah, because it'll be like a really long sentence.
Yeah.
And you'll be like, sorry, what? And I'm like, I gotta repeat the whole sentence again.
Yeah, like I'll hear like nothing and be like wonder, can I get away with just going, uh-huh? So I don't have to ask again.
Yeah. Oh, maybe we'll have to look into getting you a Senna Momentum as well.
Yeah, that'd be super awesome. I mean, I love this helmet. People ask about it all the time. It's a good helmet for the cost too, you know, it's not that expensive. But wind noise, like on the highway, like I can't hear anything.
Dude, this helmet is amazing for that, like especially because it has intelligent noise control like built in. I can just touch a button on the side of my helmet, turns on. It's freaking awesome.
Yeah, I should probably reiterate, I said I can't hear anything. Like, I can't hear anything as in, like, I can't hear people talking on the Senna, like, because there's so much wind.
Yeah, you got wind noise and road noise. It's...
Yeah, like, it's loud.
No, yeah, that causes your ears to become exhausted, and it tires you out as well.
Yeah, and my left ear is not that great as is.
Oh, what's up, new bike? Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Big fan, baby, spending cheese. Check them out now. Big fan, been on BLAD. We doing?
Anna Banana got a new bike.
She probably hates Anna Banana, but that's gonna stick because every time I think about her, I'm like, Anna Banana.
Looks good, Banana. Yep. Yeah, it's a really good looking bike. See, I can't hear her right now, so I would turn on my ambient.
Ambient on.
Ooh, that ambient, man. It's crazy. I can hear so much.
Ambient off.
Oh, did it disconnect? You still there?
Yeah.
Cool. Ooh, this thing heats up.
Oh, you're telling me.
temp is at 251.
My posts lately have been about math class, and I guess there's a guy who's like a math teacher, math tutor, or whatever, something, I don't know, but he offered to help me with math, which I thought was pretty crazy. Like, I just thought it was funny, like all the motorcycle stuff, and like people offered to help me with like homework.
Right.
Which has nothing to do with motorcycles.
Well, dude, if you think about like even the diversity of like the Blockhead crew, you know, we've got police officers and paramedics and people that are like work for the city, or you know, designers. Dude, everybody does something different.
Yeah.
So it's just like it's the motorcycle community that brings all that together, which is pretty awesome.
I know it's like pretty off topic, but I thought about it today because like so you know, like I broke that one key on my keyboard.
Right.
And there's that guy that he's like a piano player slash piano repair person, and he's like super cool. Like he's commented on a bunch of stuff. Like I talked to him before, and then he like, I was like, man, I don't know anybody that I can ask like how to fix my keyboard. Oh, I'll ask him. And like he was helpful, you know, so that he would get back to me about it.
Right.
And then like this person saying like, oh, you're in math. Like I'm a math genius. And clearly I'm not.
I'm a math genius.
He didn't say that, but I just presume that everyone that's not me is a math genius.
Yeah.
Because if they can like do any of the equations, it's like, I don't know, it amazes me. It's cool to see, because people obviously like, motorcycles is not always everybody's profession or main thing. Like it's cool to see what they do apart from that that's like also contributes to the community.
Motorcycles is a thing that we have in common, but there are other things that people do. It's like, you know, our group, man, is a diverse group, and probably wouldn't know most of the people there or like in the Blockhead crew unless it was for motorcycles, you know?
Yeah, like if it wasn't for that, like might never know them or have that resource, you know, or that person that can help you.
Yeah.
So I don't know, I just thought it was a pretty cool subject.
Yeah, definitely awesome. It's like the common denominator, bringing people together.
Yeah.
Yeah, I always thought it was cool, and I always say it's not something that I ever thought about, like when first starting up the channel, or like buying a motorcycle. You know, I just bought a motorcycle because I'm like, oh, like motorcycles are cool. Like, yeah, I want to ride one, you know? You were interested in it, so we got into it, and then totally didn't even think about the culture and the community behind it, but it is a very rich culture and a very rich community. And even within that, like each like style of bike or brand of bike and stuff like that has its own community that goes along with it. Like, you know, the exactly, Groms, Harleys.
Oh, are we allowed to say Groms in this video though?
Yes.
Somebody's gonna get bent out of shape. They said Groms, it's not about Groms all the time. 24/7.
You're riding a Harley, don't say Grom.
Meh, meh, meh.
I'm parking right here.
I'm gonna park next to Anna.
Don't park on the pavement though. Kickstand will sink into the pavement, it's too hot. All right, well, I guess that's an episode, Harley episode, since I don't do enough of them anymore. Totally random. Anything you want to add?
No, I'm just sweating.
Oh, okay. That's a good ending. Good ending, I like it. All right.
Oh, well, stay tuned for our party details. Everyone's invited.
Party details / bike night, that'll be one of the next videos. We'll be announcing that up here at Standard Motorcycle Company to plan some stuff out. We're making some moves.
Yeah.
Miss Blockhead's the party planner. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, hit the like, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell icon so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. Hey, if you guys want a chance to win a Honda Grom, I'm giving one away at the beginning of September. Sign up through Patreon. And yeah, so next time, you guys ride safe out there, stay vigilant. Catch y'all later. Deuces. Deuces. You're like, what? What?
I hope you didn't get me yelling at you.
Where?
I yelled at you because you walked right in front of me as I was coming around here.
Huh?
I almost hit you.
Where? Oh, when you were pulling up?
Yeah. The guy back there goes, I just hit him. It wouldn't be the first time.
Yeah. Totally oblivious. My bad.
I didn't even know you were going to. Sitting here hollering at you.